Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into your energy to see what the heck you got going on. Once you've hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. I appreciate every last one of you. Take a resonate, leave it does not. If it doesn't apply, go ahead and let that energy fly. Now, what's going on? What y'all got going on for the Divine Space family, friends, and collective? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. What's happening? What is it that we need to know for the Divine Space? Ooh, we're going to take it. Abundance. It's here. Keep a positive mindset. Manifest exactly what you want. Gratitude and bliss is here, you guys. Abundance. I know that's right. Let's go and clarify this abundance. You guys are coming into, I'm seeing a positive mindset. Keep it. I'm seeing you in this blissful energy. I'm seeing you in this energy of abundance, manifesting exactly what you want, getting exactly what you want. I'm seeing a windfall of finances here, you guys. Stay in the energy of gratitude. All right. Clarify this energy of abundance, please, spirit. Abundance. I'm seeing cold as ice. Cold as ice is clarifying abundance, is what I'm seeing here. Let's go ahead and take a look at cold as ice, at its ice avoidance. I'm seeing an energy of someone giving the cold shoulder. You and your lover interest may not be speaking, or maybe may not be on speaking terms. Let me show you and say that again. You and your love interest may not be on speaking terms. The Ice Queen or the Ice King. You are giving someone the cold shoulder. You leveling up. You avoiding whoever this person is. They might have been your blockage. Hello? That might be exactly what you needed to step into your energy of abundance. Is get whoever this person out and give them the cold shoulder and keep them away. Let's go ahead and grab one card. Clarify this cold as ice and abundance energy, please, Spirit. Cold as ice, abundance. One card for the Divine Space family, friends, and collective. I'm seeing pathway. Number 35 could be significant. I see you guys having a bright future, a bright path. All right, there's an energy of bliss, happiness, joy. I'm seeing you guys also loving on yourself with the self love. Number 59 could be significant. Mm, I know that's right. Let go, drop that. What is that? Drop that bad habit. Somebody dropped a bad habit, drop some dead weight. Go ahead and let's go ahead and clarify this cold as ice, but I'm seeing 35 out here. 59 could be significant. You're giving somebody definitely a stiff cold shoulder too. You're like, no, thank you. I don't need nothing. I don't want to talk. I don't want nothing to do with you. They like you, but you acting brand new. That's how they feel. But they did it to themselves, is what I'm hearing. Cold as ice. What's going on with this cold as ice energy, with this abundance, please, Spirit? What's going on? Cold as ice. Cold as ice. Hmm. So I feel like whoever you are, you used to be the type of person that like to hold on to people and possessions and things like that. You've stopped doing that. I feel like, I don't know. I feel like there's an energy of hoarding, maybe significant here. I'm also seeing that whoever this person is that you are giving the avoidance, or I mean, yeah, you're avoiding or giving a cold shoulder to, is someone that likes to possess or control people. I'm seeing you going through a spiritual transformation. I see you stepping into a new beginning and letting this person go, ending things. All right. I'm seeing that there's a transition, a transformation. All right. Releasing whoever this person is. I'm seeing an energy of cleansing and purification. All right. Focusing on possibly a new job, or, something of your own, building a business, focusing on yourself. All right. I'm seeing you being very patient as well, or having some sort of patience, learning patience. There's the energy of success. I'm seeing you stepping or standing in this energy of confidence. All right. Now, with this, I'm seeing like there's an energy of a new beginning, a new relationship, a new romance. I feel like there's an energy of somebody wanting to hold on to you. Yeah, there's an energy of somebody wanting to hold on to you, keep some sort of control over you or something like that. And I see you walking or stepping into this energy of wanting a new beginning. I'm seeing an energy of a new romance, new love, new happiness, new joy. Even if it's not with someone else, I'm seeing like an energy of you loving on yourself. There's an energy of celebration here. Okay, I'm seeing that there's an Aries, definitely significant. Clarify this death card. I'm seeing that there's an ending with an Aries. Okay, there's some sort of ending. What's going on with this Ice Queen? Yeah, the Devil card came out. I'm seeing like this energy may be very toxic, mental health issues. I'm seeing ego, a lot of secrets. This person may even have some sort of obsession with you. I'm seeing an energy of bondage, very materialistic. I'm seeing materialism here. Okay, I'm seeing an energy of letting go as you stand in your power of independence. I'm seeing with this Nine of Pentacles, there's an energy of financial stability, security, and profit. I could be speaking to Capricorn towards Virgo. Energy is what I'm seeing here. There's an energy of whoever you are being very responsible. All right. You're someone that care about others' welfare is what I'm seeing here. You coming out as the high priestess, very intuitive, very psychic, possibly utilizing divination. Tarot could definitely be significant here. Very mysterious type of energy. I'm seeing this energy made of this person may be very immature, childish, very sensitive, a sensitive heart, sensitive emotions is what I'm feeling here. Very emotional type of individual, whether they show it or not. Okay, taking everything to heart type of energy is what I'm feeling here. What else is going on with this ice, heart on ice? Anything else regarding heart on ice, please, Spirit? I see you guys moving forward. With the Six of Wands, I'm seeing an energy of success, victory, winning, having some sort of advantage. I'm seeing you guys triumphing. I'm seeing you guys possibly taking the high road. I'm seeing the energy of some being in some sort of spotlight, or nonetheless, you moving forward. We also have the Chariot out here, which is also talking, both of these cards is talking about victory, overcoming obstacles, having, some sort of success, you being determined, having willpower, self-discipline. Okay, I'm seeing that you might have been in a long-term relationship with this person, possibly married, possibly even having a family with this person. You had to learn lessons with this individual with the Nine of Wands. It seems like it was an ongoing battle. Like there was an energy of you having resilience. You have even started getting tired. This person could have been draining you of your energy. Okay, and you had to build up some sort of backbone and learn from the past, the failures and the mistakes that you made. And I see you coming back stronger than ever and things working out in your favor with this Justice card. I'm seeing things working out, and I'm seeing like there's the energy of the scales balancing out. Okay. Karmic justice is definitely at play. Especially when it comes to someone from the past. So this could have been some sort of ex or something like that. All right. Because it's coming off as nostalgic energy, is what I'm saying here. Okay. This person could be very childish. Children could definitely be significant, as I'm seeing here. And I'm seeing things coming in quickly. I'm seeing an energy of speed and haste, especially when it comes to some sort of wish fulfillment with the Star card. I'm seeing an energy of serenity, some sort of renewal. Okay. I'm seeing things being hidden. Oh, yeah, I'm definitely seeing an energy of things being hidden here with the Moon card. The Most High is here. I feel like the Most High been hiding something from whoever you are with this Moon card, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Hierophant. Keeping it a secret that there's definitely a new beginning here. I'm speaking to an Empress energies. Whoever you are, you're very central. I'm seeing feminine, operating out of feminine energy. All right. I'm seeing an energy of growth here. Mm, birthing. You could be pregnant. You could be birthing something new. You don't have to be pregnant or anything like that, but I'm seeing that there's an energy of like burdens. Okay, there's an energy of being overburdened, overloaded with responsibility and stress, and I'm seeing someone standing their ground, standing up for their beliefs, maintaining some sort of corner. Yeah, this is an energy of maintaining control, taking some sort of high road. And I'm seeing everything is happening unexpectedly with the tower moment. Unexpected changes here. This is a collapse of an old way of life, shattering false beliefs, and I'm seeing you having like a whole new door of opportunities here, having options, choices, and possibilities, and decisions that you need to make. I'm seeing dreams coming true. Yeah, things coming into fruition for you after some sort of hard work. You being rewarded. Some sort of manifestation could be significant here. All right, whoever you are, you possibly very creative. Okay. Anything else? Yeah, this is like an energy of gratitude here, like an energy of you being gifted. This is like a benevolent energy, you being assisted, gifted, supported. And I see you guys receiving good news here with the Page of Wands. That's what I'm seeing here. Someone that you guys are very courageous. I'm seeing an energy of you guys being very energetic. You could be an inspirational speaker, a politician, an actor, a preacher, a performer, an athlete. I am definitely seeing you abandoning some sort of situation and moving on. making plans to walk away, to take a leap of faith in a different direction. There's an energy of you escaping from somewhere, freeing yourself, okay? Starting a new beginning. Moving carelessly is what I'm saying here. Not even caring how, you get what I'm saying? Focusing on yourself. I feel like you've been focusing on someone else for far too long, and maybe they didn't appreciate that. I'm seeing a closing of a cycle with the world card here. Sensing, having some sort of fulfillment, belonging, feeling whole, reaching the end. Now, after the closing and you walking away, I'm definitely seeing conflict here where this person's gonna want to argue, fuss, fight. They're gonna they want to fight to keep you around. This is the energy of someone that's very defensive, chaotic, ego, temper, aggression. Okay, I'm seeing an energy of this person wanting to keep you in a situation of restriction, isolation, trapped, backed into the corner. They want you in this energy of feeling victimized, trying to cause some sort of fear or terror, making you feel like you're under some sort of pressure, hopeless, powerless. But you're actually stepping into this energy of abundance. This person gonna want to meet up and have a conversation. I don't think you should do that. But that's what I'm seeing here.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know.